Hi Celine, this is Brittany, and I promise to provide you a video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your website and online presence. So we're going to go over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at the number of words on the home page of your website, Carpet Uno. I'm also looking for any keywords as well. There's not a whole lot of content here. Yes, there's a lot of beautiful pictures, but Google likes content, and that's how pages rank. So you guys have about 50 words or so on the home page. We do suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words on that home page, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you can place these keywords throughout your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So I went ahead and searched an example of one of those keywords at the top of Google here. Flooring store in Marietta, Georgia. So I'm a consumer. I'm looking for a flooring store. That's my service I'm looking for. And the location in Marietta, Georgia. This is a great example of a location and service specific keyword. So looking at the results of the search, the first thing that pops up is the Google Map Pack here. And this is really great since 30% of consumers will choose one of these businesses here to perform their services. Below is the organic search results down here, and 60 to 70% of consumers will choose one of these. So I was looking for the #1 spot, and the first one that pops up, the first business, is Dalton Flooring Gallery on the first spot. I do suggest that you guys try to get in the top 3, since that's where most of the traffic will come from. You guys are on the 7th spot. So looking at your competition, I'm going to look at their content again, same thing, looking at the number of words. Once again, they don't have a whole lot. It's beautiful, lots of pictures, but once again, Google loves content. They probably have about 100 words or so on their front page. So we've gone over briefly about content. So the next thing I want to show you is this. This is a page program I use to research websites. I put them in here for comparison and evaluation. So I want to first show you these 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. DR rating is essentially a power rating. UR rating is essentially a trust rating, and Google gives you these ratings. And these things are raised by a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So essentially, it's like a popularity contest. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting the best, most high quality ones to have are those that are relevant to your industry and your services and that are from local websites. So those ones will work best. So you guys have 19 backlinks, and your competitor, Dalton Flooring, has 22. And these backlinks raise your trust rating. So you guys are almost even keel there. You have 9, your competitor has 8. Alright, so next thing I want to go into are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you before at the top of Google here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue as well. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, and there's hundreds of others. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them. So let's look at your citations. You guys have 9 citations on your website, and your competitor has 10. So you guys are once again super close there. Now for both your backlinks and your citations, I do suggest you have higher amounts than these than your competitors, so you can continue to rank and potentially get to rank higher than them. Alright, so we have gone over content, backlinks, and citations, and these 3 things come together, and once you optimize those, you'll be able to outgrow your competitors. Also wanted to show you the organic traffic that your competitor is getting. They're getting 118, whereas you guys are at 29. You definitely want to optimize these things in your content as well as your keywords. location and service-based keywords so you guys can start ranking higher in those search results. So that about covers it for today. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence and your website as well. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you today, Celine. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is in my signature and my email. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.